So we're in Clovis, California again. Come back to just do a little buttoning up here for this tankless water heater install we did last week. One of them is purely aesthetic, and that flange you've got up there, the split flange that covers the hole that we drilled through the wall, it's siliconed in completely, so there's no way for anything to get from inside the building into the wall cavity. But it just looks a little nicer with that split ring on there. So just, it's a beauty ring, that's all. So an escutcheon is what it is. So that's installed. The big thing we wanted to do was get this other supply line installed. And as you can see, this one, little diagram, hopefully I'll get a light on there and you can see it. You can see that the 30. You got 10, 20, 30. And then if you follow it across, you can see that it runs 150,000 BTUs. That's grayed out. So it's a 24-inch supply line, 150,000. It's 160,000 unit. The other one we had on there was a full 36-inch. So it had looped down and back up, and it only flowed 125. So you can get an extra dryer if you have a gas dryer running off of this, or you know, if you got some more BTUs to use. In other words, the full capacity of this water heater we couldn't reach with the old supply line. And the reason why we were shopping on a Sunday, we just had what Lowe's had in stock, and so we ordered this special, you know, and got it, brought it in and got it installed. So that's good. And then the beauty ring, of course, we wanted to cap this off. It was one of the things from the direct vent water heater. It was open to the outside, not saying anything would be bad about it. It's just, it's open, which means insects, you know, bugs, birds, I don't know what all could get in there, but we wanted to cap it off. So we took some silicone around the inside diameter of this large cap, a 6-inch cap. It's an HVAC ducting cap. And a bunch of silicone, 3 screws, and that'll glue in place, and so it'll stay nice and dry. And then an outside, we did the same thing with the beauty ring. You can see up here. So beauty ring up there too. So it's not quite against the building. You know, it's just uneven because of the stucco. You can see at the bottom it is, but this is fully siliconed in. There's a full 1-inch bead inside on top of the pipe around each side down at the bottom. So we really just dumped about a half a tube of silicone in there, and it's nice and dry. But we wanted to cover it up because it didn't look as nice as this, you know, So it's a little more aesthetic looking is what it is. So that ring's in place. This is the old termination vent. We're not going to mess with that because it's siliconed in place with 4 screws. If you ever have to start to have trouble with that, if you feel like you've got moisture or something, and I don't know why it would, because this is designed for outdoor use when the other unit's installed, so we highly doubt you have any trouble with that. So anyways, we just wanted to get those things buttoned up within a timely manner, and the homeowner was gracious enough to let us come in and do that today. Outside of that, this inspection and installation is done.